Beautiful start to a tour. Okay, hello everybody. This is gonna be an extraordinary trip here. It started already great because this gentleman over there picked me up on the road. So I got a lift to a place called La Morena. And what we're gonna do is we are paddling with this boat now for like about 2 hours to one of the most amazing waterfalls here in Mexico. So be surprised later and talk to you in a bit. It's so amazing. Nobody around, just the two of us in the boat and the nature. It's just breathtaking beautiful. Look at it. It's not a waterfall we are going to, it's just a path coming down here from the mountains. Nevertheless, beautiful. Part of the river where the current is so strong that we can't paddle against it. So my lovely guide got into his special shoes and now he's pulling us over this bit, and then I think we can carry on as usual. But isn't it beautiful? Close to the waterfall, we can hear it already, so it takes a little more effort and then gonna see something really amazing. Just tiny climbs, just yet, almost there. Oh my freaking goodness, excuse my language. This is so worth paddling for 2 hours against the stream. Unbelievable. Gonna show you more in a bit, huh? I'm speechless. I'm totally speechless. My goodness. Isn't it beautiful? Oh! Now you get to see my face first. I'm smitten. I'm totally speechless. I have never seen on my travels something that beautiful like that here. It's, as I said, breathtaking. Just have a look. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. My guy, who only speaks Spanish, said to me it's 75 meters high. I think it's a little bit higher. Gonna check later with Google or Wikipedia, or you can do this as well. So that's the Cascada de Tamul, near a town called Ciudad Valles, and the tiny little village where we just paddled up from is called La Morena. So you paddle for like 2 hours against the stream and reach this beauty here. It's La Bonita Cascada. We are safe back. It was an awesome trip, an awesome paddling, and for everybody who's going to Mexico at some point, go here. Just visit Cascada de Tamul. Right, last view, the scenery here. Awesome.